Using the right credit card to book your flight is an excellent way to get the best return on big airfare purchases. Airline credit cards can also provide high-quality perks, such as free checked bags and airport lounge access. However, general travel cards might make more sense if you aren't loyal to a specific airline. Number 1. Delta SkyMiles. Platinum American Express Card. The Delta SkyMiles Platinum Amex has plenty of benefits for Delta loyalists, including your first checked bag free, up to 120 annual rideshare credit 10, instatement credits per month, and up to 150 annual Delta Stays credit. Not convinced? You also get 15% off on Delta Award flights and multiple ways to earn and keep your medallion status. Enrollment is required for select benefits. Rewards rate 3 times miles on Delta purchases and purchases made directly with hotels, 2 times miles at restaurants worldwide, including takeout and delivery in the U.S., and at U.S. supermarkets, 1 times miles on all other eligible purchases. Finally, we like the Delta Platinum for its focus on both travel and everyday spending. While you'll earn plenty of Sky Miles when you book Delta flights or hotels, you can also get rewards on restaurant and supermarket spending between your travel plans, plus annual rideshare and RASI credits. This card can make a great addition for someone who wants an everyday card that helps them get closer to their next vacation. The Delta Sky Miles Gold is best for occasional travelers who want to earn Delta Sky Miles as their preferred rewards currency. While this card won't get you hundreds of dollars in annual credits or status upgrades, it is a great option for making your travels with Delta more convenient and affordable. The priority boarding and free first checked bag alone can go a long way in improving your experience every time you fly. You should think about how often you'll use this card before applying. Its primary benefit for Delta flyers is the annual $200 Delta flight credit when you make at least $10,000 in purchases. If you don't plan to spend that much on your card, you could forfeit one of its most valuable perks. Benefits. Receive a companion certificate on a main cabin round-trip flight to select destinations each year after renewal of your card. Terms apply. Earn up to $10 in statement credits each month after using your Delta SkyMiles Platinum American Express card on U.S. rideshare purchases with select providers. Enrollment required. Check your first bag free on Delta flights. Number 2. Southwest Rapid Rewards Plus Credit Card. If you love flying on Southwest but don't want to pay a high annual fee, the Southwest Rapid Rewards Plus credit card is for you. This card offers generous benefits like an anniversary bonus, 2 early bird check-ins, and in-flight discounts without breaking the bank. It also offers the same welcome bonus as some higher-priced Southwest credit cards, so you're not missing out on a more lucrative bonus offer. Rewards rate 2 times. On Southwest purchases, 2 times on Rapid Rewards. Hotel and car rental partners, 2 times on local transit. And commuting, including rideshare, 2 times on internet, cable, and phone services. Select streaming 1x on all other purchases. Benefits. 3,000 bonus points after your card member anniversary. 2 early bird check-in each year. The Southwest Rapid Reward. Plus credit card is best for travelers who want to earn Southwest points without committing to a high annual fee. It's a good starter card for Southwest travelers because it includes appealing benefits and the lowest annual fee of any Southwest credit card. This card provides unlimited 2 times points on bonus categories and an anniversary bonus. Plus, it has the same welcome bonus opportunity as some more expensive Southwest cards. Cardholders also get 2 early bird check-ins per year, discounts on in-flight drink and Wi-Fi purchases. The Southwest Rapid Rewards Plus credit card is a Visa card, so you can use it anywhere Visa is accepted. Visa is one of the most widely accepted credit cards in the U.S. and abroad, so you should be able to use it at nearly any merchant that accepts credit cards. If you're traveling internationally, you can use your Southwest Plus card to make purchases. However, it charges a 3% foreign transaction fee. Consider leaving this card at home and bringing a card that waives foreign transaction fees when traveling outside the U.S. Number 3, the new United SM Explorer card. The new United SM Explorer card has a lot to love, from its modest annual fee to rewards on travel and airline perks for frequent flyers. If you prefer to travel with United Airlines and you're looking for a way to boost your mileage plus rewards earnings, look no further than the United Explorer card. Here's what to know about this card, its features and perks, and who it's best for. Rewards rate 2 times miles on United purchases, dining, and hotel stays. When booked with the hotel, 1 times miles on all other purchases. Benefits: free first checked bag. Up to $120 Global Enta Gold Card. The American Express Gold Card makes an excellent option for travelers who want to maximize their food spending at home and away. Annual credits, travel benefits, and American Express membership rewards, one of today's most comprehensive travel rewards programs, help to make Amex Gold a solid long-term choice, despite its annual fee. Here's everything you need to know about this travel credit card before you apply. Rewards rate 4 times. Membership rewards points at restaurants worldwide on up to $50,000 per calendar year in purchases, then 1x. 4x. Membership rewards points at U.S. supermarkets on up to $25,000 per calendar year in purchases, then 1x. 3x. Membership rewards points on flights booked directly with airlines or on amextravel.com. 2 times. Membership rewards points on prepaid hotels and other eligible purchases booked on amextravel.com. 1 times membership rewards points on all other eligible purchases. You'll also get access to the hotel collection through Amex with a gold card. When you book an eligible property for at least a 2-night stay through amextravel.com, you can receive a $100 credit toward eligible charges to use during your stay. Travel protections are included too, and you'll pay no foreign transaction fees. Finally, the Amex Gold is a metal card, and you can choose the version you'd like when you sign up, standard gold or rose gold. How to earn rewards. You can earn at least 1 point per dollar on every purchase with your Amex Gold card. Some charges, including cash advances, fees, gift card purchases, and person-to-person payments, will not earn rewards points. The card's bonus rewards also come with some restrictions that you should know. If you have a large family and spend more than $25,000 per year at supermarkets, a little over $2,000 per month, for example, you may want to consider switching to another card for groceries after you hit the maximum. Similarly, keep in mind the limitations for earning rewards on travel. Only airfare will get the 3x bonus points. Hotels, car rentals, and other travel spending will earn 1 or 2 points per dollar, depending on the purchase. Number 5. Capital One Venture X Rewards. Credit Card. The Venture X is a great travel credit card for frequent travelers who want to access airport lounges and save on annual travel spending. Though it will cost a significant $395 per year, that's less than other premium travel cards with similar benefits. If you enjoy an airport lounge before a flight and don't mind booking travel through Capital One's portal for maximum rewards value, this card could be a great option. Plus, you'll earn at least 2 miles toward future travel on every dollar you spend. On the other hand, if you only travel once or twice per year and don't care about accessing airport lounges, you may find a travel rewards card with a lower annual fee and benefits geared more toward everyday spending is a better fit for you. Compare your most frequent spending categories, regular annual travel budget, and upcoming travel plans to decide whether this card could work for your wallet. Any new credit card should fit in with how you spend your money and how you prefer to earn rewards. Otherwise, you could end up losing value over the long run. The $300 annual travel credit will help you save on travel booked through Capital One Travel. You can use it for one purchase or over multiple different bookings, but you won't earn rewards on the value of the credit. Another significant annual benefit is 10,000 bonus miles, added to your rewards balance each account anniversary starting after your first year. The Venture X also has an extensive airport lounge access benefit. You'll have unlimited complimentary access to Capital One lounges with the option to bring up to 2 guests per visit. These lounges are located at multiple airports, including Dallas-Fort Worth International Airport, Denver International Airport, and Dulles International Airport. For airports without a Capital One lounge, you can access over 1,000 additional Priority Pass lounges worldwide. With a baseline 2 times miles on every purchase you make, You can rack up rewards over time with any category of regular spending. You'll earn the most rewards by booking your travel through the Capital One travel portal. If you prefer to book directly with airlines or hotels, you may not earn the maximum value with a Venture X card. But if you don't mind booking through the issuer portal, you'll get between 5 and 10 miles for every dollar you spend on travel booking. There's no limit to the number of miles you can earn. Purchases on authorized user cards also earn miles, but non-purchase transactions like balance transfers and cash advances won't earn any miles. You can redeem the miles you earn in a few different ways, but like most travel cards, you'll get the best value when you redeem for travel. Travel redemptions include redeem miles for past T.